Hello, Monroe staff. This is Tim from Technology with today's Bits and Bytes tech tip, using the Windows split screen feature. Have you ever run into this problem where you've got multiple windows open, you're trying to copy some information from one screen to the next, but you just got too many windows open to work effectively? The Windows split screen feature provides you a quick and easy solution for this problem. Have you ever had the problem where you have multiple windows open, you're trying to get your work done, and you're trying to copy from one window to the next, but it's just too confusing, too many windows open? The Windows split screen feature allows you to simplify this process and have two windows open simultaneously to allow you to copy and paste or whatever you need to do with those windows. To use the Windows split screen feature, simply press the Windows key on your keyboard and then press the left or the right arrow, and the window that is your current active window will now become half of your screen. Windows then gives you the option and shows you the other windows you had open. Simply point to and click the next window that you want to have open, and it will now open right next to the window you had previously opened. You can now drag and drop information from one window to the next or work on two different things simultaneously. So by pressing the Windows key and the left or right arrows, again, you can select your desired windows, but by pressing them again, it provides other options for selecting different windows or to change the order of the way the windows show on your screen. For those that want to go a little bit deeper into this, you can also press the Windows key and the up or down arrow, and now it provides you the ability to see 4 windows simultaneously. Hope you enjoyed today's Bits and Bytes quick tip of the day. Look for more coming in future editions of the Tech Newsletter. Thanks and have a good day.